It's sparkly, sweet, and tasty, but it just might end up killing you. We're talking about your sugary beverages. A new Harvard study is for the first time putting a number on the amount of deaths that sugary drinks cause, an amount that probably will catch many by surprise. Researchers say 183,000 deaths worldwide could be linked to consumption of sugar-sweetened drinks in 2010. That's 1 in every 100 deaths from obesity-related diseases. In the United States alone, the number is a staggering 25,000 deaths. The study was presented at the American Heart Association's annual meeting in New Orleans on Tuesday, and it's one that politicians should take note of, according to a lead author. Our findings should push policymakers worldwide to make effective policies to reduce consumption of sugary beverages, such as taxation, mass media campaigns, and reducing availability of these drinks. According to CNN, the United States ranks third on the list of highest death rates among the world's largest countries, a list topped by Mexico with 318 yearly deaths per million adults. Not surprisingly, the main fatal disease forced by the intake of sodas, sports drinks, and fruit juices is diabetes. A Forbes writer points out that 133,000 of the 183,000 deaths can be linked to diabetes, 44,000 deaths to cardiovascular disease, and 6,000 deaths to cancer. Despite the fact that the Harvard researchers have spent 5 years putting the pieces together, not all seem convinced by their results. The American Beverage Association stressed that the study has yet to be published in a peer-reviewed journal, calling it more about sensationalism than science in a written statement. The researchers make a huge leap when they take beverage intake calculations from around the globe and allege that those beverages are the cause of deaths which the authors themselves acknowledge are due to chronic diseases. Sensationalism or science, the study is expected to spur a soda ban debate that is already booming after recent controversial calls. The study comes only 1 week after a judge blocked New York City Mayor Michael Bloomberg's proposed ban on supersized sodas, and 1 day after Mississippi Governor Phil Bryant signed a bill that prevents municipalities from setting limits on soda sizes. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 36% of adults and 17% of children in the U.S. are obese. For Newsy, I'm Bryce Sander.